Did you know that with your HighLevel account, you can send a voicemail to somebody without actually ringing their phone? That's right, this is an awesome feature that we use within workflows, engage with our customers without ever actually calling them. It's really cool, so let me show you how it works. All we need to do in order to use this is open up a new automation within our sub account. Make sure you have a phone number already purchased in the account. Within your workflow, all you need to do is select the voicemail action, and then you can simply upload your file. And then once we upload our file, we can play it here, we can download it again and make sure that this is the right file for us. And then all we have to do is save the action, publish the workflow, and add some sort of trigger. As you can see here, we just tested it with my contact. It dropped the voicemail on my phone, as we can see here.
Hey, this is Andrew.
Which is super cool because then we can engage with our customers using voicemail rather than having to call them. This is one of my favorite automations that you can use to engage with your customers. So feel free to build this into your sales process so you can engage with your customers, all using this really cool automation in HighLevel. As always, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you learned something new, and thanks for watching.